Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Dirty Pat Walsh channel on YouTube with me, your host, Dirty Pat Walsh. Going through my harmonicas in my move, I found this brand new, just when I needed a new key of D harmonica. I found a brand new Special 20, barely ever been played in the key of D. Not my preferred brand of harmonica, like I have one, I don't know. They must have been out of marine bands when I bought it, but for this would be my second choice for a Hohner harmonica, I believe. So yeah, I'm just sitting here at my desk. I've had this desk. I use here. I've had it since, I'm going to dip some Stoker's Blue here. I've had it since I graduated grade 8. You know, when I graduated grade 8, I got a whole bedroom set as a gift. I got like a bed. Like I say, I've been sleeping on couches a long time, and that goes into my youth as well. I slept on couches a good lot of my youth. So I actually got a real bed. I got a desk that I still have, a chair for the desk that fell apart, a chest of drawers that fell apart, and a corner cabinet my mom still has because she said there's no fucking way I can have it, because I'm going to wreck it, and she's probably right. So, but this desk here that I'm doing this vlog on, you know, I used to, this is the desk I've written all my plays on, you know, all my published works, everything I've written that's been published, I've written on this desk. I've written most of my songs on this desk. I've written most, like 90% of the writing I've done on this desk, you know. The other 10% would be probably on the go in a notebook or something like that. But when I'm at home, this is the desk I do my writing on. Now, I hadn't used it in the last 5 years because it was in my library that I barely ever used. I did one video in my library on my YouTube channel, and it's the first review of School Dark on YouTube, I believe. I think that's the name of the video, and it was in my library. But yeah, this desk I've used for everything. You know, I've done all my writing on it, and the reason I'm finding that relevant to my life right now is because I've started devoting hours a day to writing again. I'm finding the energy for that since I've moved into this place. The only difference is I used to always have a big old Underwood typewriter, or you know, something of that style on this desk. I did all my writing on old manual typewriters, not the 80s electric typewriters. Like, I mean, like the old like, you know, clackers. You know, I loved using old typewriters because they were like, they would breathe when you'd be on a roll and typing away. I would find it. There was one I had in particular. It just felt like it was breathing when I was writing into it, and it was, you know, it just added to. I love writing. I just love writing for the sake of writing, you know, and I love that, you know. This is long before the internet, and that's how I would entertain myself. I didn't watch television. You know, this is throughout the 90s, and you know, I didn't watch television, so I'd sit at my desk by my typer and a case of beer, or a 6-pack of beer, and I'd just sit and write until I had to go get more beer, you know. and I've started doing that again. I wish I could get one of them old typewriters at work. You can still find them, but finding the ribbons for them is quite a difficult chore. Maintaining them is definitely a difficult chore. You can find them, but they often have keys that don't work. You know, though the old typer is becoming an obsolete instrument in today's society, and I'm very sad about that. But and I wish I even just had one of my old broken ones just to look at it, you know. But yeah, ruminations on writing. I guess that's what I'll call this video. Found me a pack, or not a pack, but I found a bunch of guitar strings too, so I can restring a guitar. I set up my Jim Dandy, my little Jim Dandy, to be played lap style again. I'm getting back into the lap style slide rather than the bottleneck slide. It just sounds better. It's just a better sound. You get more ring out of it, you know. But yeah, fucking Happy Cadaver put up a new tune today. My friend Rick, who I was shouting out the other day, I got a notification there. Snuff Strings has been pumping out the CBD dope reviews, or well, CBD hemp reviews. I don't know if he's gotten sponsorships. I got to catch up on his videos, man. I hope he's getting sponsored. I hope he's getting free weed. So I have a couple of those to come, but I have to do them outside because we can't smoke in my new abode. Can't smoke anything. Can't burn incense even. So I'll be doing those from outside. Maybe I'll do one later today. I got a little something here in my pocket that might turn into a review later. And if not, it'll be sometime soon. But yeah, I hope you're all good and well. This isn't really saying much. I'm just talking about my old desk. You know, this is also the desk I used to publish my fanzine on in the 80s, Warehouse of Strangers. Did it all on this desk. You know, I can still see nicks and tape marks from when there's many scars on this desktop, you know. One day I'll show it to you. But it's got my name burned into it. I think I started to burn. I used to have this little burning pen, you could scribe into wood with it. I think I started to write a poem on here, but it's all half rubbed out now. All I can make out is a couple letters. But anyhow, that's the deal. Just a rambling desk vlog today. I hope you're all good and well. Hope you are having a great day. And be well, everybody. Shine to your best ability and live your best life. Be well.